Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making me a seafood omelet. I just only have cut up shrimp, onions, and some bell pepper, you guys. So that's what's on the menu today. Okay. So yes, indeed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to season my onions and my little bell pepper and shrimp with a little complete seasoning, you guys. So how are you today? I hope everything is well. See my coffee right here just brewing, waiting for me. Like I'm waiting for it. So I'm just going to just sprinkle a little complete seasoning, guys. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm about to put in my ingredients. Okay, you guys, so this is everything I'm using. Okay. Okay. Scatter it around. So I'm gonna get the rest of these little onions and bell peppers and all this goodness off of this board. Yes, indeed. Binks woke me up early this morning, you guys. Oh, that's a big piece of onion. I don't know where this come from. Oh, my bell pepper. She woke me up early this morning. Okay, and I will be back when it's almost done. So I'm gonna clean up my area as well. And I'm gonna also add my favorite little cheese to it. Triple cheddar blend by Tillamook. That's my favorite cheese, you guys. They always have it at Kroger's, buy one, get one free. So hold on while I clean up. Okay, you guys, my seafood omelet is almost done. I like to get that crust on my omelet. Yes, indeed. Now I'm going to add a little black pepper. Okay, look at that black pepper. It's a huge omelet. And once again, guys, it has shrimp, bell peppers, onions, and cheese. And then I'm also on the side just have me a low-fat yogurt, strawberry. Yes, indeed. So I will be back when it's time to plate it up. Okay, you guys, I'm about to plate this big boy up. And this is all what I'm going to have for breakfast, because it's a big omelet with the shrimp, eggs, and everything in it. And my yogurt, you guys. I know you can't hardly see. Okay, you guys, so now I'm about to pour my coffee. And I'm about to sit down and catch up on some news and see what they're talking about, you guys. And here's my yogurt here. So I thank you guys for watching. Maybe I shall open this omelet up for you guys. Yes, indeed. Hold on. Okay, you guys. Here's my bell pepper here. You see an onion over here. You see cheese, some more onions. Where my shrimp at? Because I just saw you. Here's a piece of shrimp that I cut up and put in here. And this is piping hot. Ooh, guys, I can't wait to dig in. And it's seasoned to perfection. Yes, it is. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So, yeah. This is my breakfast this morning. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now.